Gagasi FM News.
Specifically to the Premier can make a general statement and then also
Ungqongqoshe wezempilo kulesi sifundazwe nomagugu simelane-zulu uthi umnyango wakhe awunalo igunya lokunikezela nge-Ivermectin osekunesitolo zokuba yilapha i-COVID-19. Leli yikhambi elisetshenziswa kakhulu ekulapheni izikelemu kubantu nasezilwaneni. Ekhuluma esithangamini sabezindaba eThekwini uSphelele uthi uHulumeni usalithungatha ikhambi okuyilona lona elizolekelela ukuba kuliwe ne-coronavirus.
The utilization of any drug in the country is controlled by SAPRA, and that is a mandate that is given to the National Department of Health in terms of the Constitution and in terms of the laws of our country. So should there be any call for a province to utilize a particular drug, it cannot be made to the province. That particular call, it should be a call that actually goes to national.
Usho kanjena nje abantu ababili base-Pietermaritzburg sebephuthunyiswe esibhedlela ngesitsolo zokuthi beqise isikali se-Ivermectin ngoba bethi bavikela i-COVID-19. Eqhuba uSphelele uthi umnyango usuqale uphenyo mayelana nokusetshenziswa kwaleli drug.
I must then also indicate that our investigation then is only conducted by us because it happened in our province. And as soon as we have concluded the investigation, we'll then have to take it up.
Ezindabeni zeGagasi FM nginguSphelele Nzuza eThekwini.
Gagasi FM News.